Hello, if you travel to Korea, what kind of food you will eat? I will suggest travelers to the Korea. Sulungtang. Sulungtang is Korean typical fast food. Sulungtang, traditional Korean food. In Joseon Dynasty, probably maybe 300 years ago, maybe 500 years ago, Sulungtang is in Korea really every people in the out of home, very famous fast food. In all of drama, saying is 주모, give me a 국밥. That is, 국밥 is maybe sulungtang. It must be difficult, 국밥 and sulungtang, but originally it is. And in Korean peoples, in jumak is now cafe with, just hotel, not hotel, just the inns, maybe. If you is all over Korean to Korea, or travel from United States or England or Australia, all eating problem is fit to the taste. And I am just Koreans. If I travel to United States or China, whatever, it's very safe, always successful taste food is Macdonald fast food. The same as some of the travel to Korea is never ever the fail. Always success food is Sulungtang. Sulungtang is cow bones with some other ingredients, and then just like just the water and the boilings. If it's just some, very simple. Eating is simple. How to eat sulungtang? Korea's famous food is gimchi. Sulungtang mixes rice and the side dish in kimchi, and kimchi with sulungtang with rice, then just the taste of or great taste is pit. It's very tasteful. The eating tasteful sulungtang ways with kimchi. In United States, the famous Macdonald is hamburger with cola, right? Korea sulungtang is sulungtang with kimchi. This is very typically harmony. Every Korean peoples, just we have in the morning, just food is kind of just sulungtangs. Sulungtang is 24 is restaurants treat as a menu. Even we have just yes. Korean is, I believe that all of Korean travelers, through Incheon airport to Seoul, and you can see sulungtang and gomtang. Gomtang and sulungtang very similar, but the sulungtang is very simple, very tasteful food, fast food. Okay, I'm conclusion that Korean travelers always successful fast food is sulungtang. Please remember to travel to Korea, Sulungtang. And I traveled to United States, I just to success food is it must be McDonald's. McDonald's and Sulungtang is famous in the world. And McDonald's always is in the world global fast foods. But Korea Sulungtang is potentiality global fast food. Thank you.